Little Seed sent me this twin bunk bed for my review, and before I show you any of the features, I do want to note that this is actual wood. This is pine wood. I feel like nowadays it's really hard to come across wood, so the fact that this is, you know that it's going to be super sturdy, which is really great. So this fits two twin mattresses. The mattresses are not included. I do love that you have this nice little rail at both sides, well actually all around the bed, so that you know the kid's not going to roll out of bed, which of course is really important. These slats here on the top and bottom are actually bolted in, which is really great because oftentimes they're just kind of placed inside there and then they kind of move around and then the mattress can slip through. So the fact that you can actually bolt them in is fantastic. You have these really great steps going up, and the cool thing is the steps can be put on the right or the left. So you will find when you are putting it together, the instructions are super clear, but there are different bolts depending if you're going on the right or the left side, and there are different holes and stuff like that. So they do have like the cover pieces for you to put in here to cover up those extra holes because again, it depends on which side you're putting them on. So you do have the 3 steps going up, and then underneath the steps here, this actually will then turn into storage. So it's like you've got like this little shelf here. Of course, there's no door or anything. It is just open storage, but it's cute to, you know, put books, stuffed animals. You've got this one here, and then you've got a bit of a longer one down here. And then of course the steps to go up. And then there is the little open space here on the side so that, you know, the rail doesn't go all the way through, so that it can actually climb in. Each one of the bunk beds has a weight limit of about 200 pounds. And yeah, so I think it's really great. This is like the Mocha Espresso color, but it also comes in white.